Hi everyone, welcome to this new video. In our last video, we have learned how the sum and count functions work. Both of them are mathematical functions that help us to do certain calculations. Average is also a mathematical function that helps us to get the mean or average values of a range of numbers. The average formula is mostly used when we work with financial data, stock data, or any such data set that involves lots of numbers. If you have not seen the previous videos, I would urge you to watch them. Those videos will help you to understand how the mathematical functions work in Excel. You will be able to relate to the formulas and their use cases. I'll link them in the description and also add them in the I button at the top right corner of this video. Let us now jump into our example dataset to learn how the average formula works. This is the same dataset that we had used previously for the sum and SUMIF functions. In this example, we will try to find the average of the units sold by the company. Let us start by writing the name of the formula first. Now, if we look closely at the drop shadow in the formula bar, we will notice that the parameters needed in the formula are either numbers or we can put a range in here. In our example, we will put the range in which our units sold are listed, which is C2 to C20. And yes, it is as simple as that. We don't need to put anything else. If we manually check the result by selecting the range and looking at the bottom right corner, we will find the same result. Feel free to use the formula in other datasets as well. Hope this video helps you in understanding the formula. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.